Welcome to a video by Abron. So this is prismatic compass with the stand. This one is a 3-leg stand. It comes to you in the case which is almost like this. It is upside down so that you can take it out. And this has a cover. Here we have got the cover. So I'll show you how the working is done. Let me show you the working first of all. The stand is having 3 legs. You can separate them and then this can be taken out and then put it here. Here we have the cap. It comes with the cap. I show you the close-up of this cap. This one is a cap. Here we just put this in the cap. While using it, you have to tight it so that then it comes. Now I show you. Here is the working of this. You put it here, and then after this you have to remove this. See this. This one is cap is here. I show you the close-up. This one is a cap, you have to remove it. Then whenever you just lift it, this immediately releases the compass. And this one is another. Here we have the magnet, here we have the slit prism, and then we lift it up, and then up here we can put any filter of this. We can use the filter. Here we have the 2 filters are there. So these are you can see these 2 filters are there. The scale will be visible only through this compass. You can see this compass. Here we have this prism. Here from this you can see the prism what is coming here, and then this scale, all these are available, and then these are the things. Here we have to check it. This is a mirror, so you have to use it. When you are not using it, just close it. Then whenever you close it, this immediately locks. Then there is no movement of the compass. If you lift it, only then it works. See this is moving, but this is pointing north, and after closing it, using it, you have to close it. Close this, then close this notch here. You have this notch. Close it this way and close this section also. Then you have to remove it from the bottom. I show you the close-up below. You have to remove it, and then you have to keep it upside down in this box, so that this notch is moving here, and then this has to go inside, because this part is for keeping it inside. This is for closing and using. Then you have to close it, keep it safe. It's very easy to use. This one is compass, prismatic compass, and this one is a stand. It comes. This is extendable. You can extend the stand. And our email is, you can order these all. We have got the dumpy levels, we have got the survey levels, all. This is abron01@gmail.com, and our email another is abron01 info@abronexport.com. Website is abronexports.com. WhatsApp number is 99922222049. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much.